Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Gmail tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to simply translate mails in Gmail. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do, I'm going to go ahead and open up this particular mail right here. So you can see this mail right here was written in another language entirely. So how do we translate this mail right here? So what we want to do here is to go ahead, we can simply highlight the mail right here. So make sure you highlight everything just like so. Once you highlight everything on the mail, next thing you want to do right here. So once you highlight everything on the mail, next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on these three dots right here. And the next thing you want to do is to come to the translate button right here. Go ahead and click on translate. Boom. And in a few seconds, everything will be translated to the default language right here, which is English. However, you can as well change the language to different language of your choice. For that, go ahead and make sure you click on the setting icon right here. So you have dictated language, you have translated to. So you can decide to change from English to Danish right here. And in a few seconds, boom, it translates everything back. You can go back to settings, click on Danish right here, and then return back to the other language. So let's say you want to translate to Arabic. Boom, you have it right here. You can go back right here, click on the Arabic. You can go on and change and switch from different language in your Gmail right here. So go ahead and click on English. It take it back to English language. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use Gmail account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.